Hello guys, my name is Roshan Kumar and this is my fourth video in this channel. And in the previous video I discussed about my preparation for board exams and how much syllabus I have completed and what I am planning to complete in September month. So as I promised that I will also upload a progress video in which I will talk about how much syllabus I have completed yet and what I am planning to complete in this October month. But before starting this video, I want to tell you about my study cycle. At a time, I study for 1 hour and then take a 20-minute break and then study for 1 hour again and then take a 20-minute break and then again study for 1 hour and take a 20-minute break. So this way I study for 3 hours and after that I take a long break of at least 40 minutes. So this way I study for at least 6 hours in a day. So I generally prefer to do self-study 3 hours at morning and 3 hours at night. Also, I want to give you a small tip that don't use smartphone when you are taking a small break like 10 to 20 minutes break. It will distract your concentration and I prefer to use phone in long break like a 40 minutes. So let's talk about economics. I have completed up to 5th chapter in Indian economy, that is up to human capital formation. Economics is all about understanding the topics, but for better marks you have to memorize the topics also, because the examiner will be very impressed if you will use the bookish words. So that's why I prefer to memorize by writing and reading. Memorizing by writing takes time, but it will help you to remember for a longer period of time. Also, in this month, my aim is to complete up to infrastructure chapter and to revise the foreign exchange and balance on payment chapter. Now, next, talk about English. I have left only 3 chapters and my aim is to complete these chapters, but also I have to revise the previous chapters because I totally forgetting them. So in this month I will revise all the poems also. Now let's talk about practicals. I have completed the economics project and now I have started the BST project. My topic is marketing management and my product is chocolate. If you want to learn how to prepare a project, then you must search in YouTube. You will get many project samples. Now let's talk about maths. In the previous month I have completed up to application of integrals and also started the differential equation chapter. At first I decided to revise the previous chapters, but now my focus is to first complete the book. Also I have increased my time of self-study in maths and accounts. In the second book of maths, the integrals chapter is very much lengthy, but I think it is all easy also. And now let's talk about accounts. I have completed up to accounting ratios and also have started the cash flow statement chapter. But along with this, I have also started the second book, that is accounting for companies. In the second book, the first chapter, that is issue of shares, is little bit tough, but other 2 chapters is very easy, and the chapter redemption of debentures is very small because of the reduced syllabus. And lastly, talk about PhD. In the previous month I have completed 2 chapters, that is marketing management and staffing chapter. But in this 2 month, that is in October and November, I am skipping PhD subject so that I can focus on other important subjects. At last, I want to say to all that study hard but don't forget to enjoy the life as well. Watch movies, listen to songs, talk with friends, and also I want to suggest the 2 best movies that I have watched this month. The first one is Earth's Children. This movie is a true masterpiece, and this movie shows how much a mother sacrifices for the sake of their children, and in return she gets nothing for herself. You must watch this anime movie and you will realize that our parents, especially our mother, sacrifices so much daily in order to make our future better. So it's our duty to not let their sacrifices go waste. And also, whenever I used to feel depressed or demotivated, I just used to think about my parents' sacrifices. Our parents have so much expectations from us, so we can't fail their expectations. So in order to fulfill their expectation, we have to give our best, and rest is in God's hands. So study for your parents and make them proud. So the next show that I have watched in this month is A Silent Voice. The story is about a student named Shoya who studied in 6th standard, and one day a handicapped student named Shoko take admission in his class who is unable to hear and can't speak properly. So that's why most of the people bully her because she is unable to properly communicate with others. But the Shoko is very much innocent that in return she always says sorry to others because she felt that she is disturbing others people because of his disability. And then various incidents happened after this in the life of Shoya, who always bullied Shoko. And one day the boy decided to suicide, but he didn't. And after some point of time, the girl that is Shoko, she also decided to suicide, but she can't. I don't want to give any spoilers, so all I can say that this anime is very emotional, and even all the characters are very relatable in real life, and you must watch this movie for sure.
यो लोग करते हैं बातें पर मुझसे बोलते नहीं, वो देखते हैं सब पर मुझको देखते नहीं। मैं जाता हूँ जहाँ भी कोई टोकता नहीं, वो गली का कुत्ता अब मुझ पर भौंकता नहीं। ना ही खेलता है कोई भी अब मेरे साथ, ना बुलाता है कोई चाहे हो बर्थडे और बारात।